Hello guys, this is DTrader, and in this video I will show you my strategy, the ICT strategy that I use, the only high probability strategy that you could use in technical analysis in trading. I know people say that you only need psychology for to reach in high tier in trading, to reach highest numbers in trading, but this is not the only case, because if you have good psychology, you also have to have good technical analysis. So if you have good technical analysis and good psychology, you are unstoppable. But some people say technical analysis is not needed, so and say that some people trade with super resistance and they also make some money because they have good risk management and good psychology. But this is not the case. If you have good psychology and you try to maximize your ability to read the market with your technical analysis, that means you are unstoppable. So what happens is that if you try to become best in psychology, you also have to try to become best in technical analysis, and you also have to take high probability trades in the market. So I would in this video I will show you my strategy. I mean, it's not my strategy, it's ICT's concepts, and I will try to explain it to you guys. So first of all, when I go to market, first thing I do is go to daily time frame to mark the daily lows and the previous daily lows and previous daily highs. So as you can see here, I would go to daily time frame. If today is Friday, I would mark this low and I would mark this high, because always price takes previous daily low. As you can see, we take previous daily low here. This candle take previous daily low. This candle takes previous daily low and also previous daily high, and etc. So I'm gonna explain one thing to you. There is four types of combinations that I could use in trading. So if you try to find 4 hour time frame PDA, you should make execution in on 50-minute time frame. If you try to find 1 hour time frame PDA, you should make execution on 5-minute time frame. And this is the best one that I use. If you try to use 50-minute PDA, you should make 1 minute execution, and if you try to find 5-minute PDA, you should make 15-second execution. For me, 50-minute PDA and 1 minute combination is the best one, because this is most like best best combination that I could use shortly. So I'm gonna show you one example here, because I don't want to make this video really big. I want to make it simple, and I want to make it really understandable for you guys. So I marked here level. Where the fuck is it? Oh yeah, this was the best example that I could show you guys, because this is the easiest one. This one here. As you can see, 5-minute time frame. We tapped into this 5-minute rolling up, and we dropped down. Like, this is really far away. I don't have subscription to TradingView because I don't need it. Let's use another example for you guys. Let's see. Man, market really been really rough because of Trump. It's really been hard to trade these days. Okay, let's use this easy example here. So what we have here, we have this 50-minute PDRA, 50-minute BPR, 3PR. I mean, this is triple fair rolling up here, as you can see. So after making this 50-minute BPR, I would go to 1 minute time frame and look for what? Look for some CISD and fair rolling up entries. So what happened here? We tapped here, price made volume balance here. We disrespected, I mean, filled this volume balance and made this fair rolling up here. So entry that it could have got here was this, only this and you should put your stop loss right there. And this could be really easy trade, really easy trade. This is really high probability, guys. I'm telling you, this always, most of the time, like 90% of the time, this always like works. So what I'm gonna show you this example here too. uh, let's use this example for the London session. What we had here, we had, first of all, we had this 50-minute time frame PDRA, and also this 50-minute PDRA. So what we're gonna do right there, when we have two PDRAs, we're gonna wait for price to have reaction. So the trade that I could have took, I could have go to 1 minute time frame, was when price disrespected this fair value gap. So after 3 a.m. candle closed, price fully disrespected this fair value gap. I would go to 1 minute time frame and look for 1 minute entry. We had no entry here. I would look for price to develop the structure more. We made high, we made low, and we made fair value gap here. We disrespected this fair value gap, so this is technically inverse fair value gap, and this could be my entry from here after entering in this inverse fair value gap. Put your stop loss there and put your take profit to high of this candle, and as you can see, we would hit and we would smash this trade. Now let's use another example for also London session high. So what happened here was price still retraced into this BPR, and after price retraced into that BPR, I would go to 1 minute time frame. I would go to 1 minute time frame and look for the entries. So what entries do we have here? Really easy entry that you could have got. Price retraced, had big disrespect, as you can see, CISD, and after this candle tap this into this inverse here, I would entry. So why did not I entry? Why I did not enter from here? Because I didn't had enough confluences. After CISD, after CISD, you should wait for retracement into fair value gap, and after that you can enter. I would put my stop loss above this London high, and I would put my take profits to London lows. This would be really big trade. I mean, you also could have put runner to these lows, and this trade would be really good trade. And I don't want to talk really more, and I don't want to show you more examples, because I want you guys to go to the charts and see it yourself, because this strategy always works most of the time, not always. 100% win rate strategy doesn't exist because market ain't perfect. So market is not perfect. So this is the video I wanted to record today and show you my strategy. See you next time. Bye.